What's good, fam? Summer's creeping up, and guess what? We're just about 3 months away from the iPhone 17 drop. Today, I'm spilling 10 crazy leaks about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Number 1, the design's getting a fresh twist. Say goodbye to the old camera bumps. We're talking a big camera bar on the back, like nothing we've seen since the iPhone 11 days. 2, Apple might ditch titanium and bring back aluminum, or aluminium if you want to be fancy. It's like a blast from the past, but with a modern twist. 3, camera upgrades, that telephoto lens, going from 12 megapixels to a whopping 48 megapixels. Zoom game about to be insane. 4, 8K video recording for the first time on an iPhone. Yeah, no cap. But don't expect buttery smooth 120 FPS at 8K. Probably gonna chill around 30 or 60 FPS. 5, selfie lovers, rejoice. Front camera jumps from 12 megapixels to 24 megapixels. Selfies and FaceTime just leveled up. 6, dual recording. You can film with the front and back cameras at the same time. Imagine the possibilities. 7, tougher front glass. Apple's making the screen even more scratch resistant and drop proof. For all the clumsy peeps out there, that's a blessing. 8, bigger battery cause the phone's gonna be a bit thicker. More juice, more fun. 9, A19 Pro chip, made with next-gen 3nm tech. More power, better efficiency, longer battery life. 10, Apple's cooking up their own Wi-Fi 7 and 5G chips. Say goodbye to Qualcomm's old stuff. Efficiency is gonna skyrocket. So, what do you think? Hyped or nah? Drop your thoughts below. If you vibed with this, smash that like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Apple juice. Catch you later, fam. Stay chill and tech savvy. Peace.